How to make an account in the best SMM and how to sign in. To make your login experience more convenient, here is a step-by-step guide on how to create an account in Best SMM. In order to sign up in Best SMM, press the link on the screen, bestsmm.com. Then open it in your browser and click the sign up button. Initially, you will see at the top of the screen the option Sign in with Google. If you have a Google or Gmail account, or if it's logged on in your browser, then you can use it to log in easily. And if it's not already logged in, then you can manually input your login details yourself. This is how you can conveniently sign up through your Google account. In the case of not having a Google account, or if you do not wish to log in with your current Google account, then you can otherwise log in manually as well using an alternative Google account with a preferred username and by submitting your email of choice. If you have a Telegram account, you can add it. And if you do not possess one, then just type NIL, NILL in its place. Similarly, if you have a WhatsApp account, you can input it or write NIL if you don't. Likewise, for Skype, if you want to add Skype ID, you can add it or you can write NIL instead. Telegram, WhatsApp, and Skype detail submissions are fully optional. After this, use a strong password of your liking and then submit it. Then input the same password accurately again. After which you might or might not see a box with the words I am not a robot. If it does not appear on the screen, then click on the box I am not a robot to prove it. Then agree to the terms and conditions. If you wish, you can visit and thoroughly check the terms and condition page for your certainty. Lastly, click on the sign up button, after which you will either receive a code or link in your email. You need to input the code or click the link to confirm and complete the process of signing up in bestsmm.com. This is how you can open and access your user account in Best SMM to reap its lucrative services.